Hi guys, this is Bupin the Tube. Today I want to show you how you can change the batteries of your Gigaset handset very quickly and easily. Let's go ahead and start. So the first step is to turn off your handset by pressing the red button. Then turns off. Then turn it to the other side. You need a screwdriver, quite sharp edges, and then the purpose is to remove this black cover first. So you need to put the screwdriver at the bottom of it and try to force it out like that. It comes out, and now in here you can see you can easily open it by putting your hand around, and there are two batteries, AAA. Take them quite easily out. The batteries needs to be rechargeable, so I'm using batteries from this company. It doesn't really matter which company you're using, it just needs to be rechargeable. You take two batteries out. Make sure you put the positive side to the positive side. So positive side for this one is this side, and in here it shows positive side for the other one, which is the opposite side. So put the second one in. As you can see, it has turned on and it needs to be recharged. So now you can put the cover back. It goes back quite easily. And now this one from one side to the other side, and it's gone quite easily, and it's now new battery 50 charge.